Hey guys, I'm Tapos Groove and today I'm going to be just showing you guys a small tutorial on how to make a easy and automatic villager breeder farm. So let's get going, I guess. So all you need for this farm is 31 glass, a stone button, a water bucket, how many number of minecarts you want, two dispensers, one power rail, five ladders, two oak trapdoors or whatever wood trapdoors you want, 26 blocks of any choice of yours, rails, a lever, two composters, and 10 beds. So let's get going, I guess. So first, guys, make sure you're away from any village nearby so that at least 100 blocks away from all the villages nearby so that you can actually make this farm work perfectly. So first, you place 5 blocks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You leave a block from here and place a block here. Next step is to place glass in the middle till the height of 5 and then do this till the height of 5. Perfect. Now, the next step is to take your dispensers, your lever or your button and your minecart and your rails and place your dispenser here. Put a minecart in that. Put a rail here and some rails. So that this is how your villagers will be taken out. Okay guys? The next step is to come on top of the dispenser and place blocks till the height of 5 like this, as you can see. Then come here, do the exact same thing again and make a very weird kind of shape with these blocks. Okay guys, so keep on doing this, and when you reach opposite of the cobblestone pillar you only go 3 blocks high. Okay guys, this is really important as you can only go 3 blocks high and not 5 on this side. Now the next step is to count 3 blocks down, 1, 2, 3, and place a block there. And now we should go take our composter, bucket, and our trapdoors, and come here. First, put 2 trapdoors here, close them. Put 2 composters here. This is where your villagers will be trapped, as you can see. Now, the next step is to, of course, bring the villagers here. So, you guys can use a railway system, or you can use rails to get the villagers here. So, let me just spawn them in. Oops. I'm sorry, but you gotta die. Wait, I can push you in actually, so you don't have to die. Oh, come on, in. Yay! So now those guys are inside. Take your blocks and build out a platform from here, like this. This platform can be as big as you want it to be because this is where you will put your beds. Okay, guys? Your beds can come wherever you want. Now, you take your beds. Let me just put these things inside. And you can start placing your beds now. First, I'll place a bed here. Perfect. Another bed here. Another bed here. Now, as you can see, guys, this is how your farm should be looking right now. And your placement of beds can differ. It doesn't really matter that much. So, yeah. The next step is to put all these beds back and take your dispenser, your lever, your water bucket, and your ladders. So you have to place these ladders on the cobblestone, as you can see, all the way to the top. Oh guys, as you can see, I was just making the beds look better. Now they look much more in uniform. And the villagers gave a baby villager. Let's go. So let me just take out some minecarts and put them in this dispenser. And when you press this button, the villagers should come out. Guys, as you can see, the baby villagers come out of the farm, and now it's in the railway system, as you can see. Wow guys, this is making villagers really fast, as you can see. Already 2. Let's go. If you think they have ever run out of like food, you can just flick the lever a few times and wait for it to work, I guess. Oh no. Oops, I think the guys have done a very silly mistake. As you can see here, this trapdoor is supposed to be like this, not on the glass block. So let's fix that right now. Perfect. And now cover this up and take out another villager, I guess. Nice. Now you'll have unlimited villagers for your trading needs and purposes. So yeah, this works amazingly well actually. So guys, remember, I haven't made a mistake. Example, you want to place this dispenser here. You need to place a block on top of the composter. Oops, not there. Like this, and come down here and place a block right over here. Perfect. Break this block and put a lever here. So putting the bread and put a lever here. Perfect. And example, there are too many villagers near your beds. You can just keep on adding more beds if you have too many baby villagers, like more than 1, 2, 3, 4. What if you have more than 10 villagers? You can just keep on adding beds. Like I can literally just place 4 blocks here and add 2 beds, so that I can have more villagers, I guess. So yeah, this guy. As you can see, if you look like that green guy, he will not take a job and he will be jobless and he'll be actually very useless in your farm, because your farm will not work properly with that villager, as you can see. So be sure to take villagers that can have jobs. So guys, if you like the video, please smash that like button and subscribe, and comment down below what I should do next, because I'm open for some ideas. And guys, let's try to smash for 15 likes, because I know you guys can do it. And that also gives me lots of confidence to make more videos like this. So, bye guys. I hope you like the video.